Hello there, my name is Bob Waldron and this is another vlog here at Genesis Models. Now in this vlog we're going to be taking a look at Airfix's brand new catalogue for 2018, announcing all their lovely releases that we're going to be seeing over 2018, new molds and all that kind of stuff. But before we jump into that, let's do this month's competition, because I did actually forget to do it in the first vlog for this month of January. I totally forgot to actually put it in there, so I'm going to do it now instead. And for this month's competition for January 2018, we're going to be doing the brand new 1/72 scale Airfix kit, McDonnell Douglas Phantom FG1. Absolutely stunning kit. I've had a little peek in here. It really does look cool. For 1/72 scale, this is going to be an absolute beauty. So to be in it to win it, as always, you can comment on the Genesis Models website in the forum section, or you can comment down below on YouTube, commenting something like "count me in" or something to that effect. Anything that just, you know, make a post in either of those two areas and you are entered, and then I'll do the whole random number generation program thing, and I'll announce it in February who is the winner and ship this out to you free of charge. So get posting, get yourself entered, and have a chance of winning this absolute stunner. And also I will be doing an inbox review of this month, so keep an eye out for that. Also, a little bit of news: we had our new group build start this month, so get in on that, 1/32 scale or above. So absolutely, basically it's all about doing big builds, 1/32 scale, big miniatures, big tanks, big aircraft, as big as you can take it. So get involved in on that. Also, we had our winners for the last group build we did, the post-apocalyptic group build. Just a little message out there: I'm still waiting in on you guys to give me your mailing addresses so I can get these trophies made and then ship them out to you free of charge. So if you haven't seen it, go see the first vlog of this month. And those of you who have won, get me in your mailing addresses so I can get that shipped out. Now we're going to move along to this bad boy, Airfix's brand new 2018 catalogue. I'm not going to go through absolutely everything. I'm just going to sort of show you all the goodie bits, i.e. what new molds we're going to be having. Now in this, if you do want to go out and get it, I do believe it was something like £6 ish, there or abouts. So it's quite nice, a nice little read to just see what they've got going. It does have a lot of sort of like what they are selling. They've got this whole new range as well, which I find kind of cool for the kids. It's like a Lego snap together sort of model kit, quite interesting. And then it's just a lot of their sort of normal stuff that we already know about, but I did kind of get some points out here. We do have Airfix's Messerschmitt ME262B1A. This wasn't a new mold, only I can't remember when it was, but it's very sort of recent. But they've added some new parts to this, which is quite a nice little touch. That's going to be available October 2018. We have as you just saw, they released the FG1. They're going to be releasing an FGR2 Phantom, which that's going to be rather cool, and that's like October 2019. So we've got a bit to wait, but it's nice to know that's going to be coming along. Also, what else have we got here? Let's move along. I made some more notes. Was it this one? Here we go. We've got a North American B25C. That is in 1/72 scale. That's going to be quite interesting. As you can see, we've got our FG that's already been released. This is available now as well. We've got a Vickers Wellington Mark 1AC. That's a nice new mold, 1/72 scale. That's going to be released in June 2018, so you know, not too far off, but that's going to be again another cool kit. Moving along, what else we got here? I think it was this page, yeah. We've got the Hawker Sea Fury FB11. I'm liking this. I think I'm going to definitely get this one. It's in 1/48 scale, a scale that I do like, and that is available now. So might be seeing that soon, because our Spitfire over there video build, that's coming to an end soon actually, because I'm almost finished that one. So I am tempted on that. Moving along, we have this Bristol Mark 1F. This is also a brand new mold, 1/48 scale, so that's going to be an absolute stunner, but it is going to be available November 2018. Now all these sort of future releases as well, I mean, I know they're saying going to be available. I wouldn't take it as a 100% is going to be available then, but around about there I would say. And that is the major sort of releases that I thought you'd really want to sort of get wet your lips for 2018 of what's going to be coming. But there is a whole bunch of other stuff in here if you want to go out and buy it, because all sorts of stuff, like there's kits with new parts, new schemes and stuff that are going to be released also, which they also look rather cool. So it is a good read, and it just kind of lets you know what they've got. They've got all their figures and tanks in here, some buildings, and then if we go to more to the back, we've got like the Humbrol side of things, where we've got all their entire paint range. So it's just a nice way of sort of seeing what they've got and what you might want to go get and all that goody stuff. So there you go, that is Airfix's 2018. Hopefully you've enjoyed this vlog. Hopefully you're going to get in on the competition. You're really going to be going for it for 2018 with Airfix, and hopefully you're going to be here at Genesis Models with me teaching you how to build everything for 2018. So until next time, my name is Bob Waldron, this is Genesis Models, and I'll catch you next time. Thank you.